All right, so the first step is to go to MELD.com and click on app. So once you do that, what you're going to be able to do is see your wallet, and you could also go to your extension and go to NAMI. Once you're in there, you're going to see your balance and of course your MELD tokens. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So what we're going to do is switch the account. So we're going to go to the one that says account 1. And the reason we're doing that is because we have multiple accounts, and this is the one that we want to claim because I have 6,000 tokens. So you're going to hit on confirm in the bottom right and put in your password. Now these are tokens that I got because I was into the ISPO, and these were airdropped to me, so I decided to delegate them. So there you go. Now our transaction has been finished. And what I recommend you to do is refresh and be a little patient. So in this video, I am just cutting the clip. So this actually took a little bit longer. But again, all you have to do is go back to your wallet, go to your account and refresh. So as you can see, we got 7,200 MELD tokens in our wallet. So now that we have them in there, we can send them to our cold storage or whatever wallet or Cardano based wallet that we want to have those tokens in. So there we can see our stats, and I haven't done anything with these tokens yet. All I did is I believe I had about 6,200 tokens, and I delegated and earned 15%. So if you're in the 6 month as well, be patient. That's going to be in 6 days from now. So February 10th, you'll be able to claim those. So great job with the MELD team. They've been doing a good job, and hopefully we'll be doing a video here on the channel showcasing what else you can do with MELD in terms of earning a yield. That's the idea of crypto, right? So what I'm doing right here is I am sending my tokens to a cold storage wallet. So again, you're going to click on the token, put in the amount, and I'm just using my ADA handle. So I'll show you here in just a minute. And I was doing all this from a different laptop, so I wasn't in the studio. We have 7,200 that we are sending away. So after I refresh, you will see the transaction history. So on MELD, if you go to the right, you will see that. So here we have 13,900 and something tokens. Yeah, 973. And if you refresh, there you go. You can see that we now have 21,000 MELD tokens. So that's all I have for you in this video. We will see you in the next one.